How to make a paracord watch band or a watch strap. Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound, and that you're ready for yet another awesome paracord project. Today we're gonna use the 3 strands of a gold paracord 550, the same length of each strand, and watch. So first we're gonna detach the watch strap or a watch band from the watch. So we're gonna cut the both ends of a cord and then simply pull the inner strands. So now when we find the center, we're gonna take it and insert it from the top into this, let's say, buckle, and then we're gonna pull it through the loop here and create the cow stitches. Tight it well. Now we're gonna take the second strand, also find the center of it, and then we're gonna pull one side from the top So now we're gonna start with our ribs. We're gonna take first the left strands and we're gonna pass the bottom strand on top of the top strand, so from the back, and then this top side gonna go under the back side and on top of this first middle cord, like so. Pinch it here. And now with the right side cords, we're gonna take the bottom strand and we're gonna place it on top of the top strand, and then under this middle cord, and then on top of this left cord. So as you can see, this is the basic weave we're gonna use for today's project. So we're gonna proceed. We're gonna take this first left strand and we're gonna place it under the closest strand on the left, and then on top of this second strand. Now from the right side, we're gonna take this bottom side strand and then place it on top of the first strand closest to it, and then under the second one, and then on top of the third one. Now we're gonna repeat. So from the left, first strand, under the second one, and on top of the first strand from the left side. Now from the right side, the first strand on top of the second strand, under the third strand, and then on top of the fourth strand, like so. As simple as that. So once more, the first strand from the left side, under the second one, on top of the third one, and to the side, and from the right side the first right cord on top of the second, under the third, and then on top of the fourth. So when we reach the desired length, we're gonna cut off this axis of a cord, meld them together and secure them. So we're gonna start with these two. And we're left to make a keeper, and we are done. So here I have the small piece of shell gutted paracord, and now we're gonna measure it. About here. So we're gonna cut it and melt it. The better way is to take your keeper, create it before you place your watch onto the watch strap. Now I need to detach this end and insert the keeper and then reattach it again. So here we are. Our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever we post a new video. That being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. See you soon. Bye.